Merry Christmas from Adam's Van Adventures to everyone out there on the net. And these are our Christmas decorations. And primarily I only do the living room. And that itself is a chore. Here's the garland along this cabinet. And those are pink, gold, white poinsettias. Those are the traditional red. Here's more red ones. Here's the Christmas tree. Our sun is at the top of the tree, under the cross, with angel wings, as he died at 9 weeks old on Christmas Day. This tree has all pewter ornaments that we pick up from our vacation. And right there's my mom and dad on our tree. Grandsons on our tree, granddaughters on our tree. Family gets put up on our tree. Right here is our creche. And I love pewter, so our creche is pewter. This garland I just got about 3 days before Christmas, and I haven't messed with it at all other than to put it up there. I haven't even straightened it out because by the time we got that, I was tired. Over here is another Christmas tree, and this one holds the ornaments from the different countries that we visit. And down here we have a village. With the little red truck. Candle. More candles here. I started doing handcrafts for this year, and I caught the worst cold ever, and taking medicine for the cough. I spent a lot of time sleeping, so none of the handcrafts got finished. So I'm going to handcraft after Christmas. And as far as I'm concerned, that works too. But I wanted to take this time to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.